Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today, what we gonna do today? Come on, man.
So, you obviously wasn't watching the video.
You know I don't watch the videos. Well, if you had opened your eyes for a split second, you would have saw the frame. Man, all you had to do was say the frame. You didn't have to do all this. Yeah, anyway, this is actually forgotten footage. I forgot it was on my camera, and I didn't have the right size styrene, so I had to improvise. I just took my sheet styrene, cut it into strips, and kind of laminated. You know, I made it like 3 layers.
And that worked, huh?
And that's what we got here, 3 layers in the strips, and now we just go build a frame from that. Yeah, we just go build a frame from that, you know, with mostly 90-degree angles. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this.
Yep.
Nothing too fancy. Definitely not fancy. Yeah, nothing too fancy. But, you know, just a basic frame. So don't you need 2 of those?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm no framing expert. Of course you're not. But, just open your eyes. Like you need... Oh, okay, I got you. So yeah, as my colleague has discovered, you need 2 of these. There's 2 sides to every story. Huh? Never mind. Well, you see, never mind. Forget it. Let me explain. Nah, that's okay. Anyway, you're about to see how old this footage actually is. See, there's the bed.
Okay.
It's not only not rusted, but it don't even have the hole in the bottom.
Dang.
So, yeah, this is pretty old footage. Ancient footage. Yeah, ancient. Anyway, this is a frame. I forgot where I got it from, but I like this center part.
Oh, yeah, that is pretty cool.
So I'm gonna cut that out and use that in this new frame that I'm building.
Yeah, right. I'd like to see you try.
He's gonna cut it out and put it on it. Yeah, right. You are really goofy. Anyway, here's the part I cut out.
What the?
Now I'm about to attach it to this frame. And I believe I put some thin styrene on the inside and outside of the frame.
For what?
To hide my seams and everything really good.
Oh, okay.
So I don't think I filmed that.
You obviously didn't
but
film
I did
that.
have an extra layer. So technically it's 3, 4, 5. It's 5 layers of styrene.
What is this, math class?
But 2 layers are really, really thin.
Okay, and we're supposed to do what with this info?
You want me to tell you what you can do with the info?
Easy. I'm just kidding, bro.
Dang, lighten up.
You right.
So hostile.
I'm just having a bad day. You want to tell me about it, buddy?
Well, it all started about 2 minutes ago.
2 minutes ago? Okay.
When I started working on this video,
Right.
I just got this annoying voice ringing in my head. Wait a minute.
Yep.
I know you're
I'm
not
talking about you, sir.
Oh, that's just rude and uncalled for. So now we get to the original frame. I'm gonna borrow the front end off of it.
So you're gonna pay
I was
it
gonna
back?
use it to hold the radiator.
Okay.
But I ended up wanting the radiator a little bit more pushed out. So I pretty much did this for nothing.
Nah.
But what about the motor mounts?
Ah, good point. I know.
Definitely
Thank you,
needed
thank
those
you.
motor mounts. See, I could be helpful when you really need me. You could be helpful all the time, you just choose not to.
Cause you don't need me.
You right.
You got this.
Yeah, I do got this. So I got my frame marked off in the front where I'm gonna add the original frame. I have to cut it at an angle so that it'll fit right. You know, fit together perfectly. So I'm gonna use my Dremel, get that knocked out.
Well, you do that, and I'll do this.
You'll do what? What are you talking about?
Man.
Okay, so now we got it all sharp and everything. We go see if they fit. Fits perfectly. So now we gotta do some trimming so that we can get it ready. Can you stop? We get it. It's not funny anymore.
It's not.
No.
You don't know how to have fun.
So it fits together pretty good.
I tried, guys.
Back to a boring video. Like I said, it fits together pretty good. Now we take it apart. We go throw some super glue on it. Why don't you throw some super glue on your lips? Get it all glued up.
Shut up.
I'm sorry, that was a little harsh. Oh, it's okay. I've learned to ignore you.
See, it's words like that that inspire me.
Ain't nobody scared of you.
You're not scared of me.
Wait.
You're not scared of me.
Nope.
Really? What can you do?
To be honest with you, all I gotta do is turn your mic off. I mean,
Oh, yeah?
I just keep you on because you're kind of funny
Well,
sometimes.
I'd like to see you try. I mean,
Okay.
you say you could turn my mic off, but I don't think you could do it. I don't think you have the guts. Like, what are you talking about?
Huh? I can't hear you. What did you say? I see your mouth moving, but I can't hear you. All right. So now I just cut that hump off that goes over the drive shaft, the transmission and all that area, because I really don't need that. I'm gonna have a hump in the floor, but I don't need that little thing over it on the frame. So now I'm about to round off the edges, but I don't want to use this sanding disc, so I'm gonna switch that out with let's see, with this. Yeah, that'll work. So in my peripheral, I could see someone holding a sign up saying, "Please turn my mic up." So I don't know. I guess I'll go ahead and turn them up. What y'all think? Alright. Oh man, thank you. I underestimated your powers. Yeah, don't get it twisted. So where we at now? We still working on the frame? Yeah, the video is called The Frame. That's all we're working on this video.
Man, you ain't got to.
I got a what?
Huh?
What?
Never mind.
Yeah, okay. So now we're just doing a lot of sanding. Man, you ain't even have to do me like that. I kind of did. You was getting out of control. Oh man, I was just making the video interesting. I mean, is that you? Oh yeah, I gotta go. Like, comment, subscribe.
I am.
Peace.